So to inspect the lens, we can open the window, pull the lens out, and just inspect. If there's any dross marks on there, we can either clean or replace. Push the lens holder back into position, shut the window. So to clean the lens, you can usually use isopropanol or acetone. Just one spray either side's fine. And then we can use a lint-free pad or a swab, and we just start in the middle and just do a circular motion. And as you can see, the isopropanol will evaporate, or the acetone, and it will just leave a nice clean surface, and there shouldn't be any more spots or dross left on the lens. So to change the lens, we just pop out the lens from underneath, and you'll see that it will just come free. Pick up the new lens. Normally these are coated in plastic film, so try not to get them dirty, just hold them at the edges, place it on, it will self-locate. And this ring is actually on like a ball bearing pin, so when you press it in, you'll hear it click into place, and at that point make sure it's secure, then just put it back into the head and shut the window.